Hi, I'm Yvonne Sum and I'm here in Sydney, Australia, talking about intentional parenting. There's this workshop that we're running and there's been questions around how are parents experiencing huge challenges today, and how can intentional parenting help us as parents for contemporary children? Well, I guess the two great challenges that parents are reporting today is one, that the way their parents no longer work for them. The world has gone through and become a lot faster, and secondly, the world has become a lot more unsafe. So those are the two major challenges. One of the things that intentional parenting will definitely cover is, let's not throw out the baby with bathwater. We obviously came out okay, and no matter what our parents or grandparents did, must have worked at some level. So one of the great ways about intentional parenting is we're going to show you a framework called the 7 R's of parenting, where we're going to look at this framework and look through what your parents did well that you want to emulate, or maybe even your grandparents. And looking at that, we can extract the best of for you to put into your parenting model. Now, secondly, the other thing is that we can use the same framework and look at the things that you haven't looked within yourself, that you haven't put into place, that you'd like to replace what isn't working when your parents did. So that's what we'll share with our parenting workshop. The other thing about being unsafe, I think the world has been unsafe throughout history for different reasons. I guess the old days was, if a little kid ran out into beyond the tribal fence, they're going to be eaten by saber-toothed tigers, right? So nowadays they might run out onto the street and get hit by a car. So, and of course then we talk about being kidnapped. I'm sure in the old days, in different tribes, there might have been kidnapping going on. We certainly talk about Helen of Troy, don't we? So one of the key things that we need to think about is the world really is unsafe as it should be. And if you look at your 7 R's of parenting according to how you'd like to set your value systems, I think they'll be the great guidelines by which you can actually help run a better family. And you can achieve results for you and your family that you'll be proud of.